Behind me here is a one-of-a-kind fifth wheel RV, and I'm here with Jimmy and Sandy, who live in this full-time with their 3 kids. And we're gonna take a look at what they've done with the place, because this thing is really incredible. Let's go take a look. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. For y'all that are new here, my name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, and if you are a returning viewer, I'm here at the Tampa RV show. So yes, I drove all the way from Dallas, Texas to Tampa, Florida to show you all of the coolest RVs here at the Tampa RV show. And this here is a one-of-a-kind fifth wheel RV because this is a Heartland Cyclone 4006 that is owned by Jimmy and Sandy, who have their brand Trying Something New. They have been living in fifth wheel RVs for quite a while, and this is their newest fifth wheel RV that they are in, that they have made completely their own. There's a lot to talk about on this thing that's really exciting, but we're gonna go in here and talk to them a little bit, hear a little bit about their story.
Hey!
So this is Jimmy and Sandy here. They are definitely one of the most exciting, fun families, just your whole family in general, living in an RV and making RV video content. So tell me just a little bit about how long you've been doing this and full-timing in RVs, and then what made this rig happen.
All right, so we've been full-time actually for over 9 years. But for the first 8.5 years, we had a 1999 Class A, 35 foot. And so we had that whole revamped and super cute and, customized. But our family's getting bigger. Our kids are almost as tall as us. So we knew we had to upgrade into something larger. So
something new, I think.
Something new.
Right.
And so, it's so funny because we came to this show, the Tampa show, last year in search of a new fifth wheel. And we just fell in love with this Heartland Cyclone 4006. We love the separation of space and all that. And so we actually are brand ambassadors with Heartland, and they wanted to deck out a one-of-a-kind fifth wheel with this crazy hot pink paint job and all that, with our logos on it. And this is now our new home.
Some crazy is 500 hours into the paint job, which is just mind-boggling.
It's insane.
Yeah.
They took out our logos on there and everything. Yeah. So.
And as you can see now, you see why it's pink on the outside. Hopefully that makes sense. So if you haven't came across their channel, what's the name of your channel?
Trying Something New.
Trying Something New. How many subscribers y'all got?
We're almost at 900,000. We're close to 1 million. Yeah.
Trying to make that push to 1 million. So make sure to go subscribe.
Yeah, thank you so much. If you're looking for fun, adventure, you'll find it here.
Yeah. So I'm going to have y'all stand outside for a second so I can walk everybody through the inside. So yeah, go check out their channel. They're a little different than like what I do, because what I do, I'm doing mostly tours of RVs. They're more of a family showing the lifestyle of full timing in an RV and the realities of that. So definitely something you should go check out. But let's take a look at the inside of their RV here real quick. Real quick, before we step inside of this RV, there's something that I'm really excited to talk to y'all about, and I actually want to ask you for a favor. So if you've been here for a while, you know that I pretty much never ask y'all of anything, but I'm going to right now because I started my second YouTube channel, which is called Firmly Unbound. Firmly Unbound is the name of my company, and Firmly Unbound is an expression of exploration and freedom in work, play, and faith. And I'm really excited about what's to come on this YouTube channel. There's a link down below in the description of this video and in the comments as well, where you can subscribe to Firmly Unbound. And I pretty much spent the whole last month traveling dang near coast to coast across the United States to show you what it means to live firmly unbound. So some exciting video content is coming. Can't wait to see y'all there. Again, this is a Heartland Cyclone 4006, but they've definitely added their own personal touches into it. And the reason I wanted to take the time to come and film this, not only do I just love Jimmy and Sandy and think they're such a fun family and such a fun couple to be friends with in this industry, but they also have done a really great job putting this RV on display to show what you can do with an RV and just the kind of customizations that can go into it, what you can do to make it your own, make it homey. So you see all the decor that they've added up on here, the decor up through here. This came with black curtains on it. They added pink curtains on there to give it its own look in this space, adding the rug into this space here, kind of giving it its own character. And then again, pink curtains on this side as well. And then pink glass panels. Now this is something that it looks like was more custom done. That's not so easy to do. But adding your own pieces of decor and stuff like that, you really can make these RVs feel a bit more homey. They have a blackboard board right there, some decor up over the entry door. And then this 4006, like they were talking about, finding something that has an adequate space where they have 3 children that are all kind of in their teenage years, so they're growing up. It's tough to find something that gives sleeping space for that many kids and a good living room space. So this toy hauler really does the job. What's unique about it is your entry door is actually in the slide out. So you can see the slide out right here where that kind of lip is right there. And the entry door is actually inside of that slide out, which the Heartland Cyclone toy haulers are going to be the only things you'll find that do something like that there. That allows them to get this extra set of recliners in here and maintain a ton of floor space while doing so. Going back into the kitchen, they have a pantry here, nice residential size Furrion refrigerator, and then a U-shaped kitchen space with a 4-burner stove and oven there. That is the Greystone stove and oven. Good amount of storage space through here. This big pantry really helps as well, I'm sure, for being a full-time family. And then back in the garage, they have completely changed this garage to be a room for the kids. So they have 2 beds that drop down there. They got rid of the sofa system and just added a second platform there with a bed on it. So 2 different beds. They have a dresser in this space here and a desk. Rugs down in here, giving it more of a home-like feel. Patio with a rug on it as well. And then you have the loft up top here. And you can see how each kid has kind of decorated these spaces to make them their own. If you go check out their channel, you'll see some of the video content they've made of how they have made this toy hauler into what they want it to be. See a camera here for security as well, TV installed, washer dryer combo unit back here in the garage, and then you have a half bath here. So that is the kids' room where they all sleep and live back in that area. And then going up front, again, you can just see all the decor that they add into the space, making this feel like home. And then you go up into the bathroom. This has a pass-through bathroom here. So you have a porcelain foot flush toilet. What I like about the Heartland showers is they actually drop the floor down on the shower to the same level as the rest of the floor, giving you more shower height in there. So you can be about 6'7", 6'8" with the skylight and still fit in that shower. You have the sink there. Then again, this is a pass-through bathroom. So entry directly into the bedroom from the bathroom. King size bed here. Has a really cool LED light back there that they added on, and then TV already installed in the bedroom with wardrobe closet. This unit has 3 ACs on it. They got the whole entire roof filled with solar, and they have 3 270 amp hour lithium batteries on here, which is just absolutely insane. So they can run this entire RV off of solar on a sunny day for sure. It's really, really impressive what they were able to put together. And as we come outside, let me see if there's anything extra. Oh, I want to show you this too. This is something that's cool because I don't get to show this too often. On these outdoor storage compartments, you can get an outdoor TV out here. And these are the kind of mounts that I'm talking about in a lot of my videos, where it allows the TV to slide out and pivot like this here. So you can have an outdoor TV in your storage compartment there. You have your JBL outdoor speakers. These are the lithium batteries that they have underneath here. So 3 Battle-Born lithium batteries, 2 inverters here. This is going to allow that power from the batteries to be inverted so it can run things like the ACs. This 4006 has a really big storage compartment. This allowed them to fit the solar charge controllers in there. As you can see, they needed 3 of them. So this is why solar is so expensive, y'all. If you're looking to get solar to run your entire RV, it's not just the solar panels you need. You need all of these solar charge controllers, inverters, disconnect switches. I mean, it's a lot of different equipment that goes into it. Come around this side, you have all your water connections and stuff like that. And we're not gonna go through all the nitty gritty details on this tour, but just wanted to give you a look around. Fuel station here because it is a toy hauler. And then back here, again, your patio off the back. So definitely make sure you go subscribe to their channel. Again, it is Trying Something New. They are a really fun family. You're gonna love their video content. And they also, have a security camera up here in front of the entry door too, which that's a nice touch. So that's all I got for y'all. Go check out their channel and subscribe for more video content of fun stuff coming from this Tampa RV show. And until next time, live firmly on bounds.